Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to choose the perfect Clickbank product that will actually make you commissions. If you're a beginner in affiliate marketing and you want to promote something that's already selling, already helping people, and can start earning you money from home, this video is a must-watch. We'll cover how to use Clickbank's marketplace, what metrics to look for like gravity, average dollars per conversion, real product examples that are crushing it, and how to avoid dead-end offers. Let's jump in. Think about it. You can have the best marketing skills in the world, but if the product you're promoting is garbage, you'll never make consistent money. You want to promote products that solve real problems, pay you well, have positive reviews and social proof, and are in demand right now. That's why Clickbank is perfect. It's full of digital products that pay up to 75% commission and have built-in stats to help you decide what to promote. Now, let's dive deeper into understanding the metrics you'll encounter in the Clickbank marketplace. Once you're inside the marketplace, you'll notice categories listed on the left side. For beginners, especially those interested in the make money online niche, the e-business and e-marketing category is a goldmine. Click it and you'll see a plethora of products, each accompanied by specific stats that may seem confusing at first, but don't worry, we're here to break them down for you. First up is the gravity score. This score indicates the number of affiliates who have made recent sales of the product. A higher gravity score suggests that the product is popular and selling well. Aim for products with a gravity score between 50 and 150 for a balanced approach. Next, you'll see AVG dollar conversion. This figure shows the average amount you earn per sale. Look for products with an average conversion of above $40 to over $100 to ensure you're making a decent profit. Then there's initial dollar sale, which tells you how much you make the first time someone buys the product. It's essential, but don't overlook the rebuild dollar sale metric. Rebuild dollar sale represents recurring commissions from subscription products, providing you with passive income over time. Pro tip: focus on products that not only have a strong gravity score and high AVG dollar conversion, but also solid rebuild dollar sale. Additionally, a good affiliate page that offers promotional tools and resources can significantly boost your marketing efforts. By understanding these metrics, you can make informed decisions and maximize your earnings on Clickbank. Happy promoting! Now that you understand the key metrics, let's look at a few current top-performing offers on Clickbank. These are great examples to get you started. First up, Product 1, the Fast Tracks Affiliate Marketing Training. This product has a gravity score of 85 plus and an AVG dollar as conversion of $63 plus. It's a step-by-step video course teaching how to build a high-ticket affiliate business. Why is it great? It's a proven system with testimonials, converts well with both free and paid traffic, and is designed for beginners. Perfect for TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook group promotions. Next, we have Product 2, Perpetual Income 365. With a gravity score of 90 plus and an AVG dollar / conversion of $55 plus, this plug-and-play software plus email templates help you make a recurring income. It boasts high conversions, offers monthly recurring commissions, and is easy to understand with tons of proof. Promote this using free traffic strategies like YouTube Shorts, blog reviews, or Quora answers. Lastly, Product 3, 12-minute affiliate. This product has a gravity score of 100 plus and an AVG dollar conversion of $75 plus. It's a done-for-you affiliate funnel system that's highly beginner-friendly, has massive proof of income from real users, and includes multiple upsells for higher commissions. A good choice if you're building an email list. By focusing on these top-performing offers, you'll have a higher chance of success in your affiliate marketing journey. Choose the one that aligns best with your audience and start promoting. While it's exciting to dive into the world of affiliate marketing with Clickbank, it's crucial to be aware of common pitfalls that can hinder your success. Here are some key red flags to watch out for when selecting products to promote. First, avoid products with a low gravity score, specifically under 20. A low gravity score typically indicates low demand and minimal affiliate success. Next, steer clear of overhyped sales pages that lack genuine testimonials. These products often promise unrealistic results and fail to deliver, tarnishing your reputation as an affiliate. Poor landing page design is another significant red flag. If the landing page is cluttered, outdated, or confusing, it won't convert visitors into buyers, no matter how good the product might be. High refund rates are a crucial factor to consider, although they're usually not visible on Clickbank. To get a sense of a product's refund rate, check reviews on platforms like YouTube, Reddit forums, and Trustpilot. Simply search for product name review to gather insights from other affiliates and users. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you'll be better equipped to choose high-quality products that not only convert well but also build trust with your audience. Keep these tips in mind as you navigate the Clickbank marketplace. Stay vigilant, do your research, and you'll be well on your way to affiliate marketing success. Now that you've navigated through the Clickbank marketplace and found a product you'd like to promote, it's time to get your affiliate link. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, click the Promote button next to the product you've chosen. A new window will pop up asking for your Clickbank nickname. Enter your nickname and click Create Hop Link. In an instant, your unique affiliate link will be generated. Copy this link because this is what you'll use to direct traffic to the product sales page. But wait, there's more. Here's a pro tip. Use a free link shortener like t.ly or set up a custom redirect with a domain such as myfreedomplan.com/go. This makes your link look cleaner and more professional, which can increase click-through rates. By following these simple steps, you'll have a shareable affiliate link ready to go. Now you're all set to start promoting and earning commissions. Stay tuned for the next section on getting started with Clickbank. Before you promote, ask yourself, does this product solve a problem your audience is searching for? Does the sales page do the heavy lifting? Are others making sales with it already? If yes, you've got a winner. Even better, buy it yourself if you can. This lets you create real, honest content about the product, which equates to way more trust and higher conversions. Now, here's a bonus strategy for you. Promote multiple offers. Once you've made 1-2 sales, try promoting a front-end product like 12-minute affiliate and then a back-end high-ticket product like the Fast Tracks. You can even promote tools your audience needs, such as email autoresponders like GetResponse or Orba, and landing page builders like Systeme.io or ClickFunnels. This way, you stack commissions and maximize your earnings. By following these strategies, you can ensure that the products you promote not only resonate with your audience, but also drive substantial sales. Stay tuned for the next section, where we'll help you get started with Clickbank. If you haven't already, go to www.clickbank.com and click Start Here to create a free affiliate account. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. Once you're in, click Marketplace at the top. Boom! You're ready to start browsing for winning offers. Navigating through Clickbank's marketplace is easy and user-friendly. You can filter products by category, average commission, gravity score, and more. This helps you pinpoint the best products to promote, tailored to your audience's needs and interests. Remember, the right product can make all the difference in your affiliate marketing success. So, Take your time to explore, analyze, and choose wisely. Happy promoting, and there you go. You now know exactly how to find the best Clickbank products that actually pay and solve real problems. Want a downloadable checklist of the top 5 products I recommend right now? Check the description. You'll find the Clickbank product vault there. In the next video, we'll move over to Digistore 24, and I'll show you how to find products people are searching for that pay you handsomely for promoting. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss it. You're only one product away from your first commission. Let's make it happen.